Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-6060UTW-BTC, and this BTC means battery tripod carrying handle. Added to this, we also have a start-stop horn and end-of-period horn that the customer specifically wanted. This is for a tree climbing competition. It could be used for any kind of competition, any kind of game. The wireless transmitter is controlling the values that are being displayed here, and right now we currently have it in timer up mode. As you can see up here in the upper left, we have an LED that's on, indicating that it's counting up. If I press start right now, the horn would give us a 1 second start. I'm going to go ahead and push 0. And that's this wireless remote. It is 2.4 gigahertz, and it is RF, so you don't have to point it at it. 150-foot range. We are working currently on a radio that will do 1,500 feet. The also comes with 2 remote wireless start stops that they'll be putting at different positions on the competition, and hit it for start once, hit it again if you want to stop, or from either or, start or stop. They do exactly the same thing. It does count down also, so switching it to countdown mode, you would also use the RF remote. And as you can see, the LED down here in the lower right lights. And now you can set it for a specific value. So I want to set it for, let's say, 5 minutes. So I press set minutes once, it goes to 5, press set minutes again, stops the setting. I can set the hours, and I can also set the seconds on this. If I simply hit one of these, it will start the countdown process. I'm going to go back to the timer up mode and demonstrate the start-stop situation with the palm switches, and give you kind of an idea of what the horn output is. Also, we do have a bright dim function on the portables, on off, and then charging port for put it on charger for overnight charge. We've gotten plus 8 hours out of the batteries. They're sealed lead acid. They're located on the back of the unit. This is an IP66 waterproof case. As I mentioned earlier, these are 6-inch digits. We have 6 of them on here, so it's going to give you hours, minutes, and seconds. On the count up and down, when it gets down below a minute, it shifts over to tenths and hundredths of a second. A lot of information I'm trying to cram into one video, but I'm going to give you a demonstration of the horn and the start-stop modifications, the 60 millimeter palm switch, which gives you a remote start-stop. So I'm going to go ahead and cover my ears. You need to cover the microphone too. So I'm going to go ahead and start it. So one of these will start the process. Climb a tree or do some kind of race or something of that nature. Cut some wood. They're done. And that gives them, that lets them know that it's the end. That it's the end of the competition, or at least one person's. The other one does exactly the same thing. And also, if I hit this one, it will stop it for 3 seconds. The count up, so I'll hit 0, press 0 on the remote. So the count down portion is similar. I have it set for 5 minutes, what we set it to previously. I'm going to go ahead and use the remote for that. Cover my microphone. Okay, gives you a 1 second start, and as you can see, we have tenths, hundredths. We're down to the minutes. seconds, tenths, hundredths. If we were above set on the hours, you would see hours, minutes, and seconds. We can go ahead and stop it, but there's no 3-second horn. It's just a pause mode. So it's only going to give you the 3-second burst at the end when you have all zeros. It also gives you this portable display when you're not using it for competition. It always gives you the option of time of day. And you can set the hours, minutes, and seconds with your remote on this also. I'll put it on bright mode so you can see it in total sunlight. It is portable. As you can see, we have a handle. Fits on the tripod here. Just loosen this, or you can take it off the tripod with these thumb screws. Tripod is rated for 250 pounds. The horn comes with a 25-foot cord, plugs into the side. If you don't want to use the horn, just don't plug it in. And then we also have charger comes with it. So it comes with everything you need to have your competition, and it's so easily put together. These all run off of 9 volts, so all your remotes have a 9-volt alkaline. We suggest changing those periodically. So there again, I'm going to say that this is a DC-660 UTW-BTC, totally portable. Competition timer, multi-function timer, anything you want to use it for. It gives you that option in the field or someplace where you don't have power to have an event of some sort. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and thanks for watching.